The Pixel 8 series hit the market not too long ago, but true to tradition, leaks of Google's next Pixel flagship phones, the Pixel 9 series, have already surfaced about 9 months before their official release. It's quite fascinating, isn't it? One can't help but wonder how these leaks keep happening so early each year, potentially affecting the sales of current models. Assuming the leaked renders are accurate, which they often are based on past track records, it seems Google may have some surprises in store with the Pixel 9 series. Despite just introducing a new mint color for the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro, excitement for these models might be dampened with the Pixel 9 designs already making rounds. From what we've seen so far, the Pixel 9 Pro seems to take some cues from the iPhone 15 Pro, sporting a flat frame with subtle curved edges reminiscent of Apple's design. The redesigned back, resembling the Pixel Fold's camera bar, adds to the intrigue. While phone aesthetics are subjective, many seem to appreciate the Pixel 9 Pro's look, though some worry it might be a bit too edgy, both figuratively and literally. Google appears to be following Apple's lead by making the Pixel less curvy, which gives it a more modern appearance but might make it slightly harder to handle. However, one delightful surprise might be a smaller version of the Pixel 9 Pro, addressing concerns about the larger size. This move aligns with market trends and offers users more choice, a strategy proven successful by other leading manufacturers. Should you skip the Pixel 8 Pro and wait for the Pixel 9 Pro? Well, if you prefer a smaller yet equally premium flagship, waiting for more leaks to confirm the smaller Pixel 9 Pro's existence might be wise. Additionally, the Pixel 9 series is rumored to feature Samsung-made chips, which could be a drawback, but future iterations might switch to TSMC-made chipsets. In summary, the Pixel 9 series promises some exciting updates, and whether you should wait for it depends on your preferences and how important certain features are to you. Feel free to share your thoughts on the upcoming Pixel 9 device, and stay tuned for more updates. Peace out.